Say hi.
Hi, my name is Eddie Nicole Kishadan, 5 years old. Nice to meet you all. Thank you.
Oh, no. Mabigat? At? Ano ba sila? Aga. Masusunod, may mag-aarin na doon.
Opo, yan po sila. Kaya kung mag-aaral ng pagkakoy, ate.
Ah.
Ano ate, ikot mo ate. Ako na ate. Bigyan ng mag-movie. Ako na. Give it your bag.
Ah, come on. Oh, no.
Wala bang school?
Yes.
This is my first to the school.
Oh, sabi mo, this is my first time, my first day.
My first time, my first day.
Morning. Oh no.
Ellie, say bye-bye.
Hey, bye-bye.
Ate Danica, yung pictorial daw po. Later po, ng interview.
Saan siya upo? Teacher, saan siya upo? Saan siya upo?
Saan siya upo? First, Ellie.
Alin?